In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira bug template. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use bug tracking project that standardizes how issues are reported and managed so your team can move faster with fewer misunderstandings. First, open your browser and go to Atlassian.com. If you don't already have an account, click sign up and follow the prompts to create one. If you do have an account, just sign in. Using a work email can make collaboration smoother later, but any valid email will work. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel and find the item labeled Spaces. Click the small plus icon next to it. This opens a new tab or window with Atlassian's template options, where we can pick the setup that's tailored for software teams. In that new tab, select Software Development from the left panel. This filters the available templates to the ones designed for building and maintaining software. Now scroll all the way down until you see the bug tracking template. This template is optimized for logging, prioritizing, and resolving bugs, and it comes with sensible defaults like issue types and fields that make bug reports clear and actionable. Click Use Template. You'll be prompted to enter a few details. Add a project name that clearly describes the product or area you're tracking bugs for, so everyone knows what it covers at a glance. Then choose a project key. The key is a short code, usually 2 to 10 uppercase letters, that becomes the prefix for every issue in this project. For example, if your key is APP, your issues will look like APP1, APP2, and so on. Pick something memorable and specific because changing it later can be disruptive. When you're happy with the name and key, click Create Project. Atlassian will spin up your bug tracking project using the template you chose, applying the default fields, workflows, and layouts that help keep bug reports consistent. Next, you'll be asked if you want to add team members. If you already know who will collaborate here, you can invite them now so they get immediate access. Assigning people at this stage can help you start triaging right away. If you're not ready or you're working solo, click Skip. You can always invite teammates later from the project settings. That's it. You now have a dedicated bug tracking project ready for clean, standardized bug reporting and faster resolution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.